Hello everyone, it's Victor here once again and welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Filipino favorites and more. And for today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make another Filipino favorite, which is sauteed corned beef with potatoes. And this is one of those popular dishes in the Philippines, especially for breakfast. And I'm excited to share it with you. Let's get started. So first I'm getting ready here with my cooktop and I'm just letting my pan here heat up. So now that my pan is hot, I'm going to add in olive oil. And then to this, I'm going to add my minced onion. We'll give it a mix and let it cook. And now that the onion is translucent and cooked, we can now add in our minced garlic. This is about 5 cloves of garlic. Give it a stir. I'm going to add more olive oil. And I want my garlic here to really cook. I want it to really turn brown. That way the aroma of it really comes out. And at this point, I can add in my minced green bell pepper. And now I'll add in my 2 minced tomatoes. I'm going to season it with salt a bit. And this is what I love about mixing your green, your red, and your white vegetables. Look at the color combination. It's just so lovely. And now at this point I can add in my corned beef. What we're going to do is we're going to break up the chunks of beef that are in the mix. And let me point out something here guys. See, this is how my corned beef looks. They're ground, but then you could see like bits and pieces of, pulled beef in it. This is really good. I like it. So I'm gonna give it a good mix, and I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce here, just a wee bit, because our corned beef is already salted. Just a drop more. There we go. And I'm gonna grind here pepper. I'm gonna give it a mix. Turn down the heat a bit. At this point, I'm gonna add in my potato. So at this point, I'm going to cover this and let it come to the boil and let it simmer for 5 minutes just to cook our potato. And at this point, I'm going to make my sunny side up egg topping. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil here on my other pan. And then I'm going to put in my egg mold. Crack 1 egg and just pour it inside this ring here. Salt it a bit. Now that my sunny side up egg is cooked, I'm going to turn off my cooktop here. And now let's go back to my sauteed corned beef here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in here my sunny side up egg. Just put it on top, just like that. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of parsley flakes on top of it. All over my sauteed corned beef here. And there you have it. Hi guys, I'm back here and my sauteed corned beef with potato is now cooked. It looks so delicious, and what I did is I added a sunny side up egg on top of it, and it looks much more delicious. I'm gonna taste it for you right now. Guys, this sauteed corned beef with potato is really tasty. And the nice thing about it is you can make it any time of the day. And it's so simple to make as well. So I hope you guys will give it a try. And let me know what you think about this dish by writing or leaving your comment at the comment section below. In case you haven't yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. And head out to my website, which is victorstinikitchen.com, for more video recipes. And thank you so much for watching today, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye for now.